Welcome to another unboxing of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series. Number 44 in the Clear Crushers is the high-flying Superman, or the Man of Steel. And look at those Clear Crushers, blue. Interesting. So here we go. There's Superman, then the Night Glow Cage Batman, which I just uploaded, and then we have the Northern Nightmare and tour favorites, Black Stallion and the Creatures, Aftershock in the Mud, Mohawk Warrior and tour favorites, and you also have Megalodon in epic editions. So let's go ahead and unbox the Clear Crushers of Superman. Here we go. There's the recrushable car. As you can see, they have a rubber band holding down his cape, so I gotta get that off. There we go. Superman with the Clear Crushers. Not bad. There's Superman, Man of Steel. His cape does come off if you want it to. There's attachment there. And on the other side, right there also, the door window. And the opposite side has the same thing, so you can take this off if you don't want the cape. Well, the blue tires really go nice with Superman. I don't think any other color. I mean, I was thinking of red, but then if you had the cape on, it might be too much red, so they just went with blue. Give you some of the graphics on the body of Superman. On the back, Man of Steel. Pretty much the same thing as the 2018 version. And last year's version had the flag, so I want to see that with the Clear Crushers of the blue real quickly before I end this video. So this was last year's version. Take the flag off, put it on this truck, and look at that. Not too bad. Looks pretty cool. I don't know, this is cape. It's not holding down too well, but anyways, there we go with the Clear Crushers of Superman. The other one is Cletus, and then there's also Ice Cream Man with Clear Crushers. So I did get Cletus, haven't did an unboxing video of it yet. That will be coming up also, and not sure if I'll be able to get Ice Cream Man. He's pretty pricey on eBay. Haven't found him in stores, so not too sure about him. And I forgot to mention Bad News Travels Fast in the Clear Crushers as well. But thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and thank you for tuning in, you guys. I appreciate it.